Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of Neat Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which body layer is absent in diploblastic animals? Option 1. Ectoderm. Option B. Endoderm. Option C. Mesoderm, or option D. Mesoglia. You must be knowing body layers can be either diploblastic or triploblastic, right? So diploblastic, as the word itself is suggesting, diplo means two. So you have to tell which of these layers is absent in diploblastic. The correct answer is option C, that is mesoderm is absent. The outermost layer is the ectoderm, then comes mesoderm, and then comes the endoderm in triploblastic animals. However, in diploblastic animal, the mesoderm layer is absent, and in place of mesoderm, there is something called as mesoglia. So the correct answer is option C, mesoderm. Question 2. Ctenophora has which level of organization? Option A. Cellular level. Option B. Tissue level. Option C. Organ level, or option D. Organ system level of organization. Which level of organization is found in Ctenophora? The correct answer is option B, that is tissue level of organization is found in Ctenophora. You all must be knowing that cells combine to form tissues then form organs then together form various organ systems. So as we keep moving on in animal kingdom, the level of organization keeps on increasing, right? From cellular level it increases to tissue level, then organ level, then organ systems level. So in Ctenophora you find tissue level of organization. Question 3. Incomplete digestive system is seen in option A. Asclepiades, option B. Annelida, option C. Platyhelminthes, or option D. Both option A and option B, that is Asclepiades and Annelida. Incomplete digestive system is seen in. The correct answer is option C, that is Platyhelminthes has incomplete digestive system. And what does incomplete digestive system means? It means that they have mouth but there is no anus, right? So the digestive system is incomplete. There is only one opening. Question 4. Radial symmetry is seen in option A. Mollusca, option B. Echinodermata, option C. Annelida, or option D. Platyhelminthes. Radial symmetry is seen in. The correct answer is option B, that is Echinodermata. What is radial symmetry? You all must be knowing that an organism can be either asymmetric or symmetric. If the organism is symmetric, then there can be bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means if any plane passing through the body will divide the body into two equal parts. So it is seen in Echinodermata. Question 5. Segmentation is seen in option A. Chordates, option B. Platyhelminthes, option C. Asclepiades, or option D. Mollusca. Segmentation is seen in. The correct answer is option A, that is chordates. Segmentation is seen in chordates. Question 6. Which of the following statements is correct? Four statements are given. Of these, one is correct. You have to identify which one of these is correct. Option A. Arthropoda have respiratory system. Option B. Asclepiades have incomplete digestive system. Option C. Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Or option 4. Chordates do not show segmentation. Which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is option A, that is arthropods have respiratory system. Question 7. Example of oviparous organism is option A, Ornithorhynchus, option B, Pterophis, option C, Macrophis, or option D, Delphinus. Example of oviparous organism. What is oviparous organism? Those who lay eggs, right? What is viviparous? Those who give birth to their child. So you have to tell of these four which one is oviparous organism. The correct answer is option A, Ornithorhynchus. It is the scientific name of platypus. So platypus is a mammal which lays eggs. So oviparous. Ornithorhynchus is oviparous. That is Platyhelminthes as oviparous. Question 8. Which of the following is not an example of chondrichthyes? Which of the following is not an example of chondrichthyes? Option A, Scoliodon. Option B, Prestia. Option C, Delphinus, or option D, Carcharodon. Which of these is not an example of chondrichthyes? The correct answer is option C, Delphinus, which is the scientific name of dolphin. Dolphin actually is a mammal, right? So it's not a chondrichthyes. Question 9. Malpighian tubule is present in option 1, Laccifer, option B, Nertis, option C, Ascaris, option D, Pila. Malpighian tubule is present in. Malpighian tubule is an excretory system. It is present in. The correct answer is option A, Laccifer. Question 10. Property of bioluminescence is seen in option A, Pleurobrachia, option B, Ascaris, option C, Gorgonia, option D, Adamsia. Property of bioluminescence is seen in. The correct answer is option A, Pleurobrachia. So those are the 10 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very channel, this very time, with the next MCQ session on the next topic of class 11th NCERT biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.